How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 68 Firebird 400 convertible. This is a true numbers match 400 convertible, done in solar red. The front bumper's all been redone, re-chromed, original grills, all in excellent shape. Car's real straight, flat down the sides. Got the factory Rally 2s on it. The paint is really nice on this car. See, the rear bumper's been redone as well. All re-chromed. Nice parade boot. Black top, you see in the pictures. See, the car's nice and straight down the sides. So these 400 Firebirds are really cool cars. It's got factory AC, power steering, power brakes, factory 4-barrel. They did upgrade it with a aluminum intake and Edelbrock carb. We do have the factory intake and carb that goes with it. It's got a 400 turbo automatic trans. They did a 355 posi in the rear. All the interiors, original door panels and stuff, all in very, very good condition. Original center console. Front seats have been recovered. I believe the back seat is original. It's all in very, very good condition. Got the factory spare. It's got the jack. It's got a binder full of receipts from many, many years. It's got the PHS documents in there also. It's got power windows. Pretty rare setup in the car. Got the deluxe interior, which is really nice. Got remote driver's mirror. Thing fires up. Beautiful, beautiful car. Got a dual Flowmaster exhaust. It's got the correct transverse muffler. Sounds good out the back. Reverse lights, everything works. You have to kind of bear with it. It's a little cold today. It's only about 28 degrees right now. Nathan's not going to be too happy about driving this one down the road with the top down, but